Is it the right time to sell your gold? This is another broken neck, broken economy video where I'm trying to answer your questions. In the last video, we talked about, did you miss the boat on buying gold? Now I want to answer another question we often get. With gold being so high, is this the right time to sell and take profits? Now remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, speak to your own financial advisors, and make your own decisions. This is my opinion. I get asked that question all the time. And what I like to ask people back is, why did you buy gold in the first place? Were you hedging? Were you diversifying? Were you worried about the dollar? Were you worried about markets? Were you worried about geopolitical events around the world? Were you worried about trade relationships? Were you worried about politics here in the United States? Think about all the different areas that you might be worried about. Inflation, stagflation, recession, all the reasons why you bought gold and silver originally. And now the question I have is, are any of the reasons why you originally bought gold and silver better than they were when you bought it for those reasons? The obvious answer is no. Things have only gone downhill. Things are more worrisome, more volatile, more uncertain. The dollar is 3% away from its lowest level in history. Things are playing out exactly how you thought they might for the reasons why you bought gold and silver originally. So if things are actually worse than where they were when you originally bought, why would you sell? And the other question is, why would you sell back into cash? Are you going to now want to be in cash? Is cash a better investment than gold? Are you going to want to re-enter the markets where they are so volatile? What are you going to do with those profits if you sell to cash? Because you're back into the asset that you don't want to be in, which is cash. So when I get asked that question, I don't see the reason for selling and capturing profits in U.S. dollars to go back into paper assets when all the reasons why people originally buy gold and silver are only getting worse, and the projections about where things are heading with problems in the Federal Reserve, with the new administration, and all the projections of recession and global volatility due to trade wars and other events. Does it make sense to you to sell gold in this environment or to hold and buy more? So when you ask me that question, I think the answer is obvious. And if you like this video, remember, it would mean a lot to me and everyone working on these videos if you'd give us a like and share these videos. We want to keep coming at you with information that you want to hear. Thanks for listening. This is Devlin Steele for Augusta Precious Metals, signing out.